Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And Windows cannot find winservices.exe. Make sure type name currently and then try again. So how to fix? So firstly guys, open Windows security. If taskbar is not show, so you can click to start button and type Windows security. This is Windows Defender. To click and open and run. Then click to virus and threat protections, then scan options, then slow down, select this and scan now. So guys, this process will complete within 15 minutes. So do not use your system with this period. Okay, then completed. Then second solutions, deleted win temp files. So file manager, open file manager, this PC, go to C drive, then program files, then we include slow down, so this is not fine. Okay. So again open file manager, right click to this PC, select properties, otherwise can disk cleanup. Search disk cleanup, otherwise open file manager and select C drive to properties and then click to properties, then guys click to details, and scan drivers. Then guys click to OK, and then OK and close. So then guys restart your system and please check it, otherwise closed and Windows R, type system property protections, then enter, then guys click to restore, system restore, then next and all day to restore your system and then restart and check it. Okay, and if you have a select setting, select Windows. If you have any pending KV series to retry and download, then install. This is also tried, and after that you restart again when you latest drivers install your system.
Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.